Good morning. I'm very happy to be here this morning to share with you. Prevention is better than cure, and this health education we should start as young as possible. Let us look at the health problems today. Blood vessels related problem like coronary heart disease, high blood pressure, strokes, and this is number one killer in Malaysia, and followed by the second killer is cancer. And we should educate them as young as possible, especially the teenagers. Let us look at the teenagers today. The health education system, they're facing a lot of stress. And on top of that, they are taking a lot of fast food. You open your newspaper, the fast food is so attractive. And after the school session, they will follow their friends to the nearest restaurant and take their delicious fast food, which is rich in very high fat content and high salt content. And this is the problem today. And because of that, you can see that it will affect their immune system. It will also affect their hormonal system. And obesity is very common among this group of people. In fact, I met a doctor a few days ago. She's a breast specialist. And every day she said she sees a lot of breast cancer patients. And she mentioned to me there was a little girl, 7 years old. She's already started her period and with very developed breast. So she said, this is the problem today because children are eating too much food which is contaminated with hormones. And if you do not stop this problem, breast cancer is going to spread like wildfire in Malaysia. So we must start the education as young as possible, especially this group of young people. They are easily influenced by their friends. So being parents, we are very worried for this group of children. And let us teach the parents how to implement important or essential food supplements among this group of people. In the future, we prevent degenerative diseases and even hormonal inducing cancer. The best product is DXN, RZ, and GL. And these are very essential among this group of people. We can start giving them 3 pairs of RGGL to 6 pairs of RGGL, depends on their lifestyle. If they are very stressful, you can maintain at 6 pairs. And RZ contains a particular nutrient, it's called tritropine. Tritropine is very good for stable their emotion, and that is able to reduce the stress among this group of children. And GL contains polysaccharide, and that is able to enhance their immune system. Another very good product is spirulina. Now, you can see that this group of children, they are never able to take their balanced diet. They will take their pocket money to buy unnecessary food, a lot of junk food, contains a lot of coloring, contains a lot of sugar. So you have to give them a very balanced diet, and DXN Products is the best product because it contains all the necessary nutrients, a wide spectrum of vitamins, is essential for this group of children, especially for the brain and physical development. So they can take 10 tablets, maybe once daily or twice daily. And most importantly, DXN spirulina contains very rich chlorophyll. And as we know, chlorophyll is very important for new blood cells development. So especially the red blood cells. And when you're able to produce new red blood cells at all times, your spleen and liver, it will not be overworked, and that can promote the mental health. So you can see why we have so many depressions among this group of children. It's because of their diet, poor diet. Another important essential nutrient is our borenzi, which is noni juice, and codipine. And these two beverage is very important to balance the pH in the body, because if the body is too acidic, it can give way to a lot of health problems like poor immune system, and in the long run it will affect the whole body environment, which lead to degenerative disease, blood vessels related problem, and even cancer. So please encourage the children to take this group of products as essential food supplement on a daily basis.